let's see how bad the E36 is. It kind of got rained on last night. The problem of having a car out here with no windows, it's not horrible. It's a little bad. We'll fix it up. Just vacuum all the water out. I put the tarp on like last minute at 5:30 in the morning because I heard it was raining and woke up. I was like, no! Yeah, she got a little wet. It is what it is. Very nice. If you guys watched my last video to the end, you will have noticed that the car was misfiring, the E36. And yeah, I thought the engine kind of let go. It was kind of done at that point, but it actually ended up being this wiring harness that was the issue. For some reason, I was driving it all the way home, misfiring the entire way basically, but sometimes I would hit a bump and it would start to just function as it would, and then it would start misfiring again after another bump. So I tried to, like, you know, pushing these in better. I don't know, something with one of the connectors is bad or something like that. So yeah, I ended up having a spare one from Steve's engine. So yeah, we just tossed that in the car and now it's not misfiring anymore. So that's really, really nice.
All right, Kagan, say what's up to YouTube. What's up, Tubbs? Have not been recording. Forget about going to Busch Gardens or even Cedar Point. This is way better than any of that. Buy yourself a drift car, get on one of these tracks and do it.
This man already got bit by the drift bug, man.
Bro, I'm fiending. I'm like,
he already slides his Honda Fit, but
it's worth it. I got pulled over.
We're about to run with Brian and George and Jesse.
At 7,000 RPMs, somewhere out there, there's a perfect drift. Go find it.
Like this?
Thank you, bro. Oh no! Oh shit! Jesse spun in front of all of us.
Jesse! 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 Jesse!
I just fucking painted this fucking door.
Sick video.
You got it? You got the crash?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. First ride on track crash. You said, don't kill me. What happened?
There's no fucking camera on you.
Good ticket.
Sounds about right. Oh, thank you, sir.
One arm's like this and the other arm's snapped.
Sounds about right. Son of a bitch, man. I just wanted to fucking run some doors today. Damn. I ran doors, I'll tell you that much.
Apparently 5 was pushing it.
Good thing you got that cage.
I know, right?
Nico, you're a rocker spot.
How? Dude, I got the butterfly door. I got the butterfly door. Dude, how the fuck am I gonna get out of my car now?
You have to climb over it anyway. Just get out through the window.
What?
NASCAR way out the window.
You right. You right.
Not a sunroof. You can go straight up.
I got options. Poor Georgie Poo.
George spin?
No, Jesse did. Sadness. Jesse, I hate you, man. I'm never driving with you again. I don't even care, man. I'm never driving with you again.
Hey, drive forward.
Move up a little bit.
Don't even talk to me, Jesse.
But I love you.
I don't love you anymore. I'm just kidding. I love you, man. I love you. Come here, Jesse. I take it back. I take it back, man. It's all good. It's all good, man.
I feel more bad for George. I mean, at least you're just a dork.
What the fuck, man? I'm the one that smacked you. I was like, boom.
Bro, but it ripped his fucking
What about your car?
My car's fine.
Really?
Yeah, it's fine, yeah.
Man, fuck your car.
Yo, let's see the jitters. Let's see your hands. Let's see your hands. I want to see your hand.
What?
I want to see the jitters.
Jitters? Oh. A little bit there. Wait till I'm done. Wait till I'm done. Dude, I can't wait. I'm excited.
Let's go, finally.
That was insane. Oh, yeah. Holy moly. Must be nice, man. What? Opening your door? Oh, yeah, true.
think we did. You are the best
I'm
driver.
glad you got a ride.
That was amazing. I wasn't as scared as the first time.
Oh, there we go. Thank you. You can just set it on the roof. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Appreciate you. Too many.